Actibump, developed in Sweden, offers a unique and effective solution to speeding. Unlike traditional speed bumps, which can be dangerous, Actibump uses cameras to monitor vehicle speed. If a driver exceeds the speed limit, the Actibump lowers a few centimeters, creating an uncomfortable experience that discourages future speeding. This system is particularly useful in areas where traffic must be reduced to 50 kilometers per hour. Despite concerns about safety, over 100 million vehicles have passed over Actibumps without any accidents. Moreover, the cameras can recognize emergency vehicles such as ambulances, fire trucks, and rescue vehicles, allowing them to pass without triggering the speed deterrent. Actibump's innovative approach ensures road safety while maintaining emergency response efficiency. Astra Bridge is a portable, two-lane bridge designed to facilitate traffic flow over roads under repair. Deployed in Switzerland, it allows vehicles to travel at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour, while construction work proceeds below. This innovative solution benefits drivers, construction workers, and nearby residents. By enabling daytime roadwork, Astra Bridge eliminates the need for noisy nighttime construction. First tested in 2022, initial issues like steep entry points for trucks were swiftly resolved by engineers, who adjusted the slopes for easier access. Spanning 236 meters, Astra Bridge is a significant advancement for local road maintenance, ensuring smoother, uninterrupted traffic and more efficient repairs for years to come. Last year, the United States saw the inauguration of its first road capable of charging electric cars as they drive. This 400-meter stretch represents a significant leap in technology, developed by the Israeli company ElectReon. Their innovative system, also being tested in Germany, Italy, and Sweden, involves installing cables and inductive coils under the asphalt. Vehicles equipped with a wireless charging device can recharge their batteries while on the move. Despite its simplicity, the technology requires substantial effort to implement. ElectReon demonstrated its potential by enabling a Toyota RAV4 hybrid to drive nearly 2,000 kilometers without using its internal combustion engine, far exceeding its 68-kilometer electric range. With partners like Volvo and Iveco, ElectReon's roads could become particularly beneficial for buses and vans in the future. This advancement marks a promising step towards more sustainable transportation. For over 12 years, the global company PhotonPlay has been enhancing traffic safety with innovative solutions. One of their most effective and straightforward products is the iCop sign. These signs display the speed of approaching vehicles in real time, with green numbers indicating safe speeds and yellow or red numbers warning drivers to slow down. Powered by solar panels, the top-tier iCop R1800 model features a large 485 by 396 mm display, visible from 550 meters away. Company data shows that 80% of drivers slow down when warned by the iCop signs, with typical speed reductions of 10 to 20%. Consequently, speed limit compliance on roads with iCop signs can increase by 30 to 60%, making these signs a highly effective tool for improving road safety. A survey conducted in 10 European Union countries revealed that commuting times are significant, with public transportation taking up to an hour and 40 minutes. To make the wait more bearable, the international company JCDecaux has designed creative bus stops. In Hungary, one installation raises awareness about traffic accidents, featuring a tattered jacket with a ringing smartphone suspended in a clear block, reminding people not to use phones while driving. Additionally, some JCDecaux bus stops offer practical amenities, such as gadget charging stations, headphone jacks for music, and even the option to order a pizza for delivery in just 15 minutes. These innovative designs aim to enhance the commuting experience and promote safety. SiteSafe, an American company, has developed an innovative solution to alleviate traffic congestion in roadwork zones, which account for 10% of traffic jams in the United States. To reduce accidents and protect workers, SiteSafe has created smart fencing systems utilizing satellite communications and radar sensors. These systems offer real-time traffic information, enabling flexible speed control and minimizing the chances of major traffic jams. Moreover, if road repairs cause delays exceeding 15 minutes, drivers receive warnings on their GPS systems, allowing them to choose alternative routes. This technology enhances safety and efficiency in roadwork zones, benefiting both workers and commuters. Hog Technologies is a leader in the pavement marking and maintenance industry, renowned for their high-quality equipment. The stripe, Hog SH24, exemplifies this, with its 3.7-meter working width, designed for cleaning runways in extreme heat and snow on both concrete and asphalt surfaces. This machine effectively removes rubber particles without harsh chemicals and offers versatility with attachments for water jetting, sandblasting, and grinding. The Stripe Hog SH24 also boasts impressive speed, capable of retreating from the runway in less than a minute if an aircraft needs to make an emergency landing. This combination of efficiency, environmental friendliness, and adaptability makes the Stripe Hog SH24 a standout in its field. Road accidents have been termed a silent epidemic on wheels by United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres. These often start with minor issues like cracks in the asphalt. Austrian company Wurth proposes addressing these problems promptly with their product, Rissfill, designed for repairing potholes up to 5 centimeters deep and 20 centimeters in diameter. Rissfill, resembling thermoplastic worms, allows for quick repairs with a drying time of just 20 minutes. It is versatile, usable in all weather conditions, including snow and rain, and effective in temperatures ranging from -40 to 60 degrees Celsius. Workers need only a burner to heat Rissfill to 220 degrees Celsius, making it a simple yet powerful solution for maintaining road safety.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is you.